All right, this video is how to find a property card or legal description on a piece of property. And we do that by going to a property appraiser's website, like Orange County Property Appraiser is a good example. And by doing a property search, it might say real property search also. And then you're going to look for either an address or an owner name. So we will go to a random person here in Orange County. Oh, that's Smith. That's not going to get me there. We'll use Abby Smith and find her property. Okay, so this is a property card is what we would call this. It shows up a lot of information on here, like the owner's names, which you can see right here. Okay. It has the physical address, which we call property address in Clio. So it also has the mailing address, which is the same in this situation, but sometimes they're different. And then down here, you've got a couple of tabs. One of them is sales. And when we're looking for legal descriptions, we're going to go to a sales tab. And then we're going to try to find the clickable deed. And so this is, all of these are basically transactions or sales or transfers or whatever. All right, when we go to the you can just continue. We're almost always going to have to go to a different website is where it takes us for the deeds. And then click on a disclaimer. All right, this is our deed. And this is what you're looking for right here. Lot 35, 135. See if I download it, if I can just copy it right out of the deed would be more helpful because we like to avoid errors when possible. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to. All right, so we would just either copy it or type it into. There's two spots where you might be doing this. Here we're in Clio Grow, and well, okay, there's actually three, but you could add a custom field right here, and you'll just look for legal description, and you could paste it or type it into here. Okay, so that's one. You would add and close that. The other is that you might be here in, this is back in Clio Manage, in a matter. Here we're on the custom field tab, which is similar to dashboard, but we're in custom fields, and you would just add field, same thing, look for legal description. Oh, wait a sec. Just go here. Why is this? Huh, that's weird. Is it already in here? All right, I was saying you could type in legal right here, and legal description would pop up, and same thing. You could just add it in right there, okay? And then you would save it, and then it would be saved here in the matter, which I just skipped over. So just remember that you are up here in the property appraiser site looking for sales, and then to click on a deed, and then it would probably take you to an outside. This is a different website. And just one last thing, a legal description is almost always going to be mentioning either a lot number or a unit number or something like that. And it's almost always going to mention where that is recorded somewhere, which is in plat book or something like that. And then mention that it's recorded in the official records or something. So that's kind of what you're looking for, is a description of the property and then where it might be recorded.